There's nothing I love more than a project, and a design dilemma, well, it's one of my favorites. Many of you can relate to the difficulty of moving into a new home, but not being quite sure how your old furniture will fit into your new space. But trust me, with just a few accents and a little rearranging, this kind of dilemma can be fixed in no time.
So I met up with Stephanie to share some simple design tips to help her transform her living room.
Here's our living room. We just moved here from Arizona, so we're trying to get situated here and just kind of unpacked, make it feel like home, but I'm having such a hard time doing so.
Well, I'm here to help you.
However, after showing Stephanie a paint deck, I quickly learned she doesn't like bold colors.
You're not into these bright colors, obviously.
No, my gosh,
No.
those scare me.
Well, see, you know what you do like.
Right.
And it's okay because colors come in so many different shades. And believe it or not, taupes are part of the color deck. So would you say that you're more within this family?
Yes, more towards the warmer side, I would think.
Okay.
With Stephanie on board with the use of color in the space, I brought in some subtle accessories while she gathered up some family photos. And then I shared the idea of creating an accent wall.
You like it? This is your color palette.
Yes, I'm in love with it.
Good. So it has all of those nice warm tones, but it's introducing color. I got you a beautiful rug.
Okay.
Bringing in some yellows and blues into the space,
Yeah.
which really complements the artwork that's going to go on the wall.
It does. It's going to be a great piece.
You have some pictures.
Yes, I pulled these out from my photo album.
Oh, it's going to look wonderful. I have some great ideas for how we can really display all of your images on the wall. Being your accent wall, I thought we would do something different. Instead of just putting photo frames up on the wall, I got you some photo rails. These are going to go up here. I'm going to show you how to attach them. And then you'll just have your photographs in their frames along them.
Oh wow, what a great idea. I
You like
didn't
it?
think of that, yeah.
Very cool. All right, ready to get started? Are
I
you on
am.
board?
I am, let's do it.
All right, let's clear all this out and we'll get painting.
Okay, sounds good.
While the paint dried, I showed Stephanie a cool way to map out her accent wall to her liking, making the job a whole lot easier.
Here we go.
We then got to work by placing the photographs in their new frames and artfully arranging them on the wall. Stephanie couldn't afford to replace her old couch, but with a little creative rearranging, she didn't need to. Coming up after the break, we reveal Stephanie's newly designed living room. Don't go away. At Home with Didier will be right back. Stephanie just moved into her apartment, and getting her old furniture to look right in the new space was presenting a few design challenges. She wanted a big change, but was afraid to use color on the walls and didn't have a lot of money to spend. So for the cost of 2 cans of paint, some photo rails and accessories, Stephanie ended up with this.
I'm so happy with the finished product.
You did an amazing job, and now you have some texture, some color, and warmth into the space.
I really love the wall, and my husband is just gonna love it. It adds warmth to the space.
This design dilemma was solved with 3 simple steps: using paint to create a single accent wall in the space, mapping out a better arrangement for the room, and enhancing the furniture Stephanie already had with pillows, a new rug, and some simple artwork on the walls.
After learning from Dee Dee, I think I could do these projects in an afternoon myself.
All right, Stephanie, I hope you like
Thank you
it.
so much, Dee Dee. You've done a great job, and you've helped me so much today. Thank you.
You did a great job. You really did a
thank
great job. I love how you can make big changes in a short period of time. And that's all the time we have for today. For step-by-step instructions on any of the great ideas you've seen on today's program, go to athomewithdidier.com. I'm Didier Snyder, and from my home to yours, keep designing.